Hello guys, I welcome you to my channel Leze Graphics and Multimedia. My name is Rafi Yaku. I'm reaching you live from Lagos State, Nigeria. And today's video guys, I'm going to teach you how to add products to cart on 1688, okay? But before we get to the practical started, if you are very new to this channel, please click on the subscribe and also hit on the notification bell so whenever I upload content about importation from China and some other country, you get notified and you watch the video. Lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you on step by step on how you too can import successfully without using any agent, you can as well contact me via the phone number on the screen of this video. And also, if you want me to procure your link on 1688, taobao or pindodo, you can as well reach me via the same phone number on the screen of this video. So let's get to the practical started. So guys, one of the reasons why you need to add product to cart is because of the fact that maybe in some cases you are trying to buy from different suppliers and you don't want to pay the supplier one after the other. You don't want to go through so many stress. So in this regard, it is highly recommended and advisable to add product to cart. So when you are done with all your procurement, then you can make payment straight up. Okay. So I'm going to use one of my client example. Okay. So this person here wants me to procure some links from for her on 1688. Okay, you can see the link here is much. Okay, now these are the links. Okay, now what you are going to do if you are in this kind of situation and you need to add product to cart, what you need to do is to, so let me say for instance I want to add this particular 3 products to cart. Okay, so what I will do first is to click on the first product link here. So I'm going to click on it right away. All right, so the product page is going to load up just like what you see on the screen right here. Okay, now you want to buy this particular product from this particular supplier. All you have to do before you can add to cart, you have to scroll down. Okay, now here you need to click on this place here to add the product to cart. So I'm going to click on it right away. Now this is going to open up. Now at this point here, you can now select the number of products. Here you select the number of products. Okay, then here you use this plus sign to, this is the size, available size for the product, and this is where you select the quantity. This minus here means minus from the quantity. Okay, now all this one here that is not active simply means that the goods is out of stock, which means that we cannot buy from this particular sizes in this store. Okay, now for me to add some product to cart, so I this seller client need color white and color black. Okay, now I need to scroll down and look for the size. So this is size 40 for color white. So I have to click on here now to add this product to the cart. So I will click on this, which means that once I click, you can see that it has been updated here that I have choose one product, one quantity for a black color. For white color. Now the next color is black, which is this one. So I'm going to click on that. Now you can see, so I need to select the same size, which is 40. So I have to come down here and click on this place to add the product also. I'm going to click on it. Now we have 2 products. You can see from the bottom here, we have 2 products at this particular amount of money. Okay, now at this point here, this is where the next step after you have selected your product, quantity by color and the size, and you have done everything as far as the product quantity is concerned. So the next thing you have to do is to click on this place here. This is means you want to add the product to cart. So I'm going to click on it right away. You can see it has moved up to the cart. Okay, so now let me take a look at another example so that we can check our cart and see some of the product we have added into the cart. So let me go back to the WhatsApp. Okay, so another one here is 2 white, 2 black, 4 piece. Okay, so I'm going to click on the product link. Okay, so I have to scroll down just like the normal procedure. Then you click on here. So this is pump up. Then the instruction was 2 white and 2 black. So let me translate. This is white and this is black. Okay, so I have to, and the size is XL. This one here is XL. Okay, so let me quickly reconfirm. XL, 2 black, 2 white. Okay, so let's go back. So I have to click on here now to add this product to quantity. So I'm going to click on 1, 2. Okay, now I need to move to you can see when I select the 2 product, it updates here that we have select 2 quantity of this type of shirt. Okay, now I move to the black one. You can see it has been updated. So I have to come here also and then click on this plus to add products. So 1, 2. Okay, now we have 4 products from this item. So you can see this one also as as updated here, that we have choosing 2 quantity of this particular shirt in black color. Okay, so now for me to add a product to cart, I have to click on here. Now it has added to cart also. Now for us to check what are the products we have in our cart, all you have to do is to come to the top here, click on this place here. That is your cart. So I'm going to click on it right away. So when you click on it, you can see the product we have in our cart. So you can see. So this is the first one we had to cart, and the top here is the second one we had to cart. Okay, so you can see 2 of these, 2 of these, and this one 1 of these and 1 of these. So guys, this is how you add product to cart, and I hope you guys learn 1 or 2 things in this video. If you enjoyed this video, please give the video a big thumb up, and also if you have any links you want me to make a procure on 1688 taobao or pinduoduo, you can send me your link, and let us discuss more about the importation business. And lastly but not the least, if you would like to join my premium class where I coach you step by step on how you too can be an independent procurement agent, feel free to reach me via the phone number on the screen if you have interest to join the premium class. And I hope to see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.